What's the Earth's diameter? Yep, 10,000 miles. It's way beyond. So it's way beyond the planet, sir. Okay. Well, I know how far away from the moon. It's about 36 Earths, so that's 36 times 10, 360,000 miles. How many Earths distance is to the moon? GS. It's about 360,000. 360. Yeah. 360,000. Yep, 30 Earth. 30. I was gonna say 32. Else. I was thinking it also because we're rounding down. Incredible. You think this thing I said how many millions? 36 million. Let's see. Alright. Gonna constant. Okay. 36 million miles. So what's okay? So we gotta figure out what's in the world is 36 million miles. Cause the moon is okay. The moon, yeah. So the moon 360,000. So we're talking millions. Okay. Wait. I know the Van Allens are 36. Exactly 36,000 miles if I remember. That's right. They're within the moon. They're only 36,000. The moon is 360. Okay, so let's see, 300,000 miles. Yeah, there's no way to get there. Okay. Guys, so what is 36 million miles away from Earth? Let's see if the AI thinks I'm asking or my character is asking. It's cool how you don't have to spell it correctly. You don't even have to have spaces. Oh, I gotta go to sleep. I'm up till it's 9 a.m. Alright. Well, it's calculating. Wow. 148. Wow. Holy smoly. Dialogue. Dialogue. Okay, but what? Okay, but extends that are for real. GS. What is it? Asteroids? Maybe asteroids? No, not asteroids. Maybe what's the next planet? Mars? Or is Mars? You know, that's a really good question. No, Mars is a lot more than that, I mean. Okay. Mars distance. Let's see. It's not gonna put it as dialogue. Mars image. What do you know? Yeah, even the goddess constant number is kind of there. 360. Yep. Wait a minute. Oh my god. There's the coincidal. There's the coincidal. Holy another coincidal. 163 million kilometers. Oh no. The goddess constant has happened again. It happened again. 363. Look at that. It's even 363. Okay. So no, I'm not going insane again. And although now it's happened so often that I'm breathe, right? Breathe. Alright. Distance to Mars. Alright, let's see. 34 or so, yeah. Wow, there you go. There's another coincidal. I'm gonna have to smack this coincidals up. Let's see. Mini. Yep. This is all this from okay, so there's the coincidal. Yeah, there's a super coincidal. My god, the number came up again, yeah. Okay, it's okay, yeah, now here it's saying 363. Right? You're seeing it, I'm not going crazy. 363. Closest approach 34, so it's like 36 million miles. Distance almost 360. Averages 363 million. And here it's got current 246.3. Okay, so averages from average distance is saying currently now. Okay, so currently now, but on average, yeah. Okay, 225 average distance. Yep, there we go. There's the number again. Holy smoky bears! And you saw it in real time again. Amazing. This is every time I do this kind of thing. Last time it was one of the times it was for what was it? It was the Van Allens. Then the other one was Mariana Trench, and then maybe the Borehole, the in Soviet land. And now you see in real time this thing. I keep getting these miracle numbers. These miracle coincidals keep happening. Yesterday multiple ones. Now this one. Oh my god! And this one is literally the goddess constant. The speed equals range. This is happening again. You're here. Not even this is okay. No, this is current. Now average, which is the one you go by for the for the number of constant number. Average is 363 million kilometers. 360 million. There it is again. It's literally the range. Again, the speed equals range, the max range. 360 million kilometers. This time in kilometers, not miles. But the 36 number is always there. This is incredible. This is freaking incredible. Excuse my language. Now, of course, it makes sense because if I'm calculating from the 36 number, from everything, the Van Allens, the Borehole, the Mariana Trench, and speed equals range. Speed equals range is any number. Oh, actually, no, it's not. Well, yeah, no, it's the same thing with cars. Exactly, 360 miles. 1 tank of gas. So it all keeps equating this number because it's mathematically the same, because it's all coming from math, multiples. That's why it keeps coming up. Okay, so it makes sense. Jesus Christ, this really is the number. I really found the number. Oh my gosh, whoever's watching this, holy. Alright. Okay, so I put in my story, said 36, the rocket is 36 million actual rocket struck. It's for fun, but there's a fudge the numbers for fun, but it's exaggeration in the story series. 36 million. So Mars is further than that. It's literally 10 times than the rocket that I have in my story. So you need 10 of those rockets I'm building in the story to reach Mars. Holy. Well, that must be, okay, yeah, but spoiler alert, yeah, that's why the rocket is to get, actually the rocket is to get to the moon, but this thing extends beyond the moon, so this must be to the Mars for my story. Holy shanoli bar. Well, there you go. Let me know, you want to continue on, or you want to the story? No, I'm gonna have to think. There's gonna be a lot of thinking here. Okay, you saw it. 36.